Hey there, are you struggling to get results with Facebook ads because your budget is tight? Today I'm going to show you how to run profitable Facebook ads even if you have just $5 a day. So, grab a notepad because by the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step plan to grow your business without breaking the bank. Step 1. Pick one clear goal. When you have a small budget, you can't afford to scatter your money everywhere. Do you want leads, website sales, or more messages to your inbox? Choose one objective in your campaign. This focus helps Facebook optimize your ad spend for the most efficient results. Let's jump into Facebook Ads Manager. Here's where you select your objective. For a small budget, I recommend traffic if you want visitors, leads if you want signups, messages if you want direct conversations. Keep it simple. Step 2. Use narrow, laser-focused targeting. A big mistake is trying to reach everyone. With a small budget, you must define who your perfect customer is. For example, age range, interests, location, behaviors. Tip: use detailed targeting to stack interests. Instead of just fitness, choose fitness plus healthy eating plus gym enthusiasts. Step 3. Start small. One campaign, one ad set, one ad. Test one idea at a time. When you have more budget, you can split test multiple ads. But for now, keep it focused to avoid wasting money. Your creative is crucial. Use scroll-stopping images or videos. Keep your message short and clear. Add a strong call to action like shop now, learn more, or send message. Remember, people are scrolling fast. You have 3 seconds to grab their attention. Step 4, set your budget and bidding. With a small budget, start at $5, $10 per day. Don't expect overnight miracles. Let Facebook's algorithm learn. Tip: run your ad for at least 3-5 days before making big changes. This helps Facebook collect enough data to optimize. Step 5. Monitor and adjust. Check your results daily. Look at these key metrics. Cost per result. Are you paying too much per click or lead? CTR: is your creative engaging? Relevance score. Are people responding well to your ad? If your ad isn't performing after 5-7 days, pause it and test a new image or headline. Remember, running Facebook ads on a small budget is all about focus and testing smartly. Don't get discouraged if your first ad doesn't explode. Every dollar you spend teaches you something about your audience. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more step-by-step marketing tips. You've got this. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your results grow.